How's it going? We're back with another trade recap video. Today was overall a great day. I'm just being patient, waiting for the model to show up. And yeah, overall great trade. I did make a huge mistake, which I'll get to that in a little bit. But yeah, I just overall a great day today. Price action was pretty good. So yeah, let's get into it. So looking like on the 4 hour, we do look bearish. Bullish, as we just came down from a downtrend last week, and we're in the uptrend this week. And yesterday and today we've been in this 4 hour gap, and we've been respecting this, so I knew we were gonna at least go bullish, but I wanted to wait for a confirmation to come take sell side here on this internal liquidity. That's what we did market open. So we've been respecting this 4 hour gap, and we've also been like mitigating into this 15 minute. So yeah, I had marked out my highs and lows, my buy side and my sell side, and so yeah, as you can see, we've just been respecting these gaps. Market open and came down and swept these lows as we did it. I did see that we had a small internal SMT on Nasdaq. So like we did take these highs on ES. So it came down and then we inversed this gap, but we did stop at these lows here. So after that is where I got my entry. And so yeah, obviously going down on the 5 minute is nothing really. It's just like the same thing, but as I was focusing on the 2 minute to the 1 minute time frame, and as you can see on the 1 minute here, we just take these lows and kind of just sweeping them and just manipulating higher and coming lower. And then from there, I was just being patient. I didn't want to answer off and rush this after this small inverse, as I just wanted to see more confirmation we were going bullish. And on this, on the 1 minute, as it just came down on this on this move up, we created a CISD, and I know a lot of people entered off this, but I kind of want to see more confirmation, so I waited for this 2 minute gap to get inverse on the 2 minute, and then I kind of entered off that. As soon as this 2 minute happened, I entered because I know if it took the 2 minute, we would have took the 1 minute. So yeah, I targeted these. I broke even at these highs here, and then I just targeted these previous liquidity. But to the mistake I ended up making, as you can see up here from the price that I made, as I was going back and forth checking on ES and MNQ, I didn't check when I filled my order. I didn't check where my contracts were, and they were on MES. They were on MES like this, and as soon as I look and take my order on MNQ, I'm like, where's my order? And then I look up here, and then I look over here, and then boom, I'm on MES. And so this is a trade I would have obviously taken, but as what happened, I did end up taking this short as we were so close to taking these highs on ES, and I didn't confirm that I was taking the trade on NQ. So yeah, I made $300 off a 7.5 trade. Yeah, at this point, I didn't even create a stop loss when I was in the trade. I just waited for it to get these highs, to take these highs, and I got out. Cause I was like, oh man, like, you know what I mean? Like, at this point, it's really just an L. Although I did take some profits, but come on. But I'm not really, obviously, it's upsetting, but I'm not gonna let it, overcome. Yes, I know there's will be a lot more setups coming for me, as today just literally proved as I was patient and waited for my model. It completely executed on MNQ. So yeah, so I made 300 off a 7-point trade. Imagine if I took it on MES or on Nasdaq, which is an 80-point trade. But it is what it is, as I learned from it. So yeah, as back to the charts tomorrow. I'm off for today, as that was the only thing I saw, and that was it for today. pretty much. It was a pretty big mistake, but you know, obviously now I know how to, I know now obviously to check before I make my contracts or enter. But yeah, that was a trade recap for the day. It was a win, as is, I'm not really here for this. I'm really here for this, and I'm glad this trade played out. And yeah, it was just like a really nice trade as we, swept liquidity into this 4 hour gap, on this bullish gap, and then we ended up creating a CISD here, and then inversing these two gaps, and then from there I entered, and I would have took these highs here, as I did go break even. I mean, I didn't, but I would have gotten break even here. But yeah, that's trade for today, and God bless. All glory to God. And yeah, I hope everybody has a great day. And yeah, peace out. See you tomorrow.